Welcome to Solar Astrognan. Today's topic is about the Mars and a top secret about the Mars and the debilitation also. See how the planet will work when it is debilitated. Okay. So see, Mars is the power of the horoscope actually. See, wherever your Mars is located in your horoscope, that is the strength of your horoscope. So there you will be very successful, you will have name and fame there. Whichever the house the Mars is located in your horoscope, do that work, you will get name and fame. You take up that as a profession, you will get name and fame. You will have no failure there. Because Mars is such a planet where he doesn't like any kind of failure. He is always a successful person. See, planet work in a different way because planet the universe is created in such a way that whichever the responsibility is given to the particular deity or the particular planet, it will work as it is and it will not take any kind of deviation also. Human beings do lot of errors, but planet does not do any kind of errors. Whatever the responsibility is given to that planet, it will do as it is and it will not take any kind of deviation in that. So try to understand that even though the planet is debilitated in the horoscope, it doesn't mean that it will not work there or it will lose the character there. But only it will come down emotionally that I should do this work, not showing my talent or any kind of boosting myself or showing my strength there, but it will do it emotionally. See, planet debilitation indicates that you need to go down there and don't try to judge it more. You try to be polite there, don't show your attitude there. So this you need to understand, because in the Vedic astrology, Vedic astrology, see, most of the things are written like this only, but they do not give the direct meaning anywhere. They'll tell you to understand what they are supposed to tell you, but here we need to understand here is, you see in any horoscope, whenever the planet is debilitated, there the person should you see that person, he will not see. Example I'll tell you, if the Mercury is debilitated in the horoscope, so it doesn't mean that this person will not have any kind of intellect or not like that, but here he need to think internally to grasp anything, but he thinks very internally there. The debilitated Mars is telling you, debilitated Mercury is telling you to go internally and think in a deeper way how to understand this, not use lot of intellect there. Go and think internally. So the internal thought process is debilitation Mercury. For every astrologer who is having a debilitated Mercury, if they think internally, they will have lot of intuition to them. So try to understand this point of debilitation. Any point is debilitated there, don't do as it is. Try to do it emotionally and try to go internally to that. Try to think internally rather than thinking outside way of thinking. It is, you need to be introvert there and you need to think internally what is trying to tell you. And we are talking about Mars now. See, Mars, wherever your Mars is located in your horoscope, you need to take up the responsibilities also there, because Mars is such a kind of person, such a kind of planet where is known for the responsibility only. If you see in the mythology also, a king is there and a soldier, Sainyadipati is there. So what the king does, whatever the responsibilities of the entire kingdom is given to the soldier only, that is the Sainyadipati. So only the sun orders to do what the soldier has to be done. But here the major responsibility is the winning or losing the battle is only depends upon the soldiers there. The king will give the direction, that's all. See, in your life battle, if you want to win the battle, if you want to win, you be a successful person, take the place wherever your Mars is there, achieve there. He will make you achieve there also. Even though he is debilitated also, don't worry. Debilitation also, it's a very good indication that you are not going aggressive there, you are going emotional there. Do it emotionally. Don't worry that my planet is debilitated, so I'll get such a kind of result, and I'm losing my energies and all. No, you are not losing your energy, but you are coming down. You are being down to earth there. Don't boost up there. Wherever your debilitation you are seen, don't try to boost up there. Don't try to show your talent there. Be obedient there. Obedience is very much required. If the planet is going in debilitation, wherever the debilitation is happening, there you need to be very obedient there. Request, you need to get the works done by requesting only, not by order. Okay, that's the major secret which I want to reveal to everybody. So I'll come out with many more astrological secrets, and I have started my website also, www.solarastrognyan.com. You can go through the website, and if at all anybody wants to learn astrology in depth, they can learn through my website. The courses which I am teaching, they will be on sale in the website. Now presently I am running a nakshatra course which I have started from the 3rd of September, and whoever want to join the nakshatra also, they are most welcome, because from today, that is Saturday, today is being Saturday, today I am going to start from the nakshatra prediction. I am going to start the nakshatra basics and how it will work and all. Okay, anybody who is interested to join the nakshatra course also, they are most welcome. And anybody who want to take up the courses which are there in the website also, they can give the information there, and the answer will be given in the website also. So you can all the recordings will be available in the website. After that also, they are planning to learn astrology with my website and my course of this thing. They can go ahead and buy the courses. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. I am requesting you all to like the channel and subscribe the channel and spread the channel, because I want to give lot of secrets of Vedic astrology and nadis and different things which I have learned from my gurus and my own research also. So it's a very good opportunity for the beginners and almost all who is also experienced also, to learn the actual things, how what the Vedic astrology is trying to tell you. Because the Vedic astrology is linked to the all mantras and all the tantras. So here we need to understand the mantras, and after that only you can find out the exact meaning of that. Okay, so in this channel you will have a detailed idea about all the planets and all the this thing. So whoever want to learn astrology through my website, they are most welcome, and subscribe the channel. Bye, take care, thank you.